Hello my friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another Mask Monday Ladies collab. If you are new to Mask Mondays, you can go up in the search bar and type in hashtag Mask Monday Ladies and you will get a whole list of other channels that participate in this Mask Monday collab. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiant Polishing Mask. It has 8 super orange essence. It's a nourishing mask and face polish in one. It has some grit to it. It hydrates to leave the skin smooth, supple, and radiant. Pumpkin boosts collagen and turmeric soothes the skin. And I don't know if you can tell how by how my under eyes look that I am extremely tired. I work on a private resort and we just had Memorial Weekend. So while everybody else was having a good time, we were ensuring that they had a good time. So this is what it looks like. It's very thick and it smells so good, but my face needs a little rejuvenating. It has a very soft grit to it. It's not super gritty. You don't have to worry about it harming your skin in any way. I think even for those that might have sensitive skin, this would work perfectly fine. It's very hydrating. It feels really good on the skin. So once I get this on, I'm going to show you my Hank and Henry Makeup Institute brush subscription bag that I got for May. I know I'm a little behind in that, but like I said, we were super busy at work trying to get ready for Memorial Weekend and I didn't have a lot of time. So I still want to share that with you. And I'll also show you what I got in the May IPSY Flash Sale. I got a lot of good things in that sale. This almost feels like a really thick honey. It is one of my favorite masks. I really enjoy this mask. And I neglected to mention that you leave the mask on for up to 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure it would not hurt to leave it on longer than that. But so let's get through this quickly. Here is my Hank and Henry Makeup Institute of Los Angeles makeup brush subscription bag. So the first brush is a Trish brush. And they come in these nice plastic sleeves to protect them. They have a nice handle on them, a nice weight. They're very nice brushes. This bag came with 2 Hank and Henry brushes. Here is the Karen brush. It's a little precision liner brush. That's very nice as well. And then the other 4 are all Makeup Institute brushes. I do love the purple handles because purple is my favorite color. And these brushes are really soft as well. They don't tell you either what the brush is intended for, but they do have numbers. This is an S207, which would be a really good eye blending brush. And then this is the S202, which is a detailed pencil brush. And then we have the S206, which is a little packing brush. Not little, it's actually a nice size. And the last brush is an S203, which again is a little detailed packing brush. They are nice brushes. These handles on these feel really nice. They have that nice smooth finish to them. Very nice little brushes. And then along with your brushes, you always get a beauty item from Hank and Henry. The last 2 bags that I got, I received a lipstick. This time I have received these Plush Puffs. They're mini powder puffs. Look at how cute that is, little Hank and Henry powder puff. They're very soft. These would be really good for setting your under eye, or maybe some cream blushes or bronzers. Very nice, and you get 6 of them in this little pack. So that's what I received in my Hank and Henry Makeup Institute makeup brush subscription bag. And now moving on to the IPSY Flash Sale. Here is my big IPSY bag. I was quite excited about this flash sale because my daughter has been after me to buy this Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. She loves this palette. She uses it all the time. She sends me pictures on Facebook of her looks when she's getting ready for work. And every time she sends me a picture of a look, I ask her, what palette is that? And she will tell me, and I can't get it out of the box. And a lot of times it's the Jackie Aina palette, and every time she'll tell me, you need to get this palette. So I was quite excited to see it on the IPSY Flash Sale, which means I did not pay full price for it. Look at the packaging. Very, very pretty. I like the feel of it. I have the Glam palette by Anastasia, and I really like that palette. They come with a brush, and these are the colors. Very, very pretty. I'm quite excited to try this palette. It has a nice mirror on it as well. The other thing, oddly enough, I was on Instagram and I saw this little palette, Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want that. And it wasn't expensive. I don't remember. I will put the prices up. I'll research the prices and put those up. But I just thought this was such a cute little palette, and then IPSY had it in their flash sale. I was like, what? It has the shades and the shade names on the back. And here's the palette out of the sleeve. It has a mirror in it as well. And here are the shades. I don't know. I loved this palette. This is a very woo-woo palette, and I'm a woo-woo kind of girl. The shade names are Orb, Haley, Juno, Waxing, Waning, and Hecate. And Hecate is a goddess. And of course the waxing and waning for the moon. I really love these colors. It's just a very, very pretty palette. I'm excited to try that. It has a magnetic closure on it. Just a very pretty little palette. And then they also, if you've been watching any of my videos, you know that I just love the Makeup Geek. They had these 2 little single shadows were $5. I do remember that. This shade is Creased, and this shade is Legend. It's a foiled shadow. Makeup Geek has excellent, excellent shadows. I have been using a lot of their shadows for the month of May. I have a lot of their single shadows, and I just love them. They perform really, really well, so I couldn't miss up the opportunity to grab 2 more of their singles for $5. And then I got this Anastasia liquid lipstick. This shade is Bittersweet. And it's such a pretty shade. I'm quite excited to try that. I'll swatch it for you. Very, very creamy. It's very dark, but I think I can make that work. It'll make a very nice halo lip. We'll see if that dries down. And then I also got this Pacifica Plush liquid mineral lipstick. Here's what it looks like. Let's put that. The Anastasia is drying down to a nice matte. We'll put this beside it. Very pretty. I can't tell if it smells because all I can smell is turmeric pumpkin face mask. Velvet Kiss. 100% vegan and cruelty free. So those are all of the items that I ordered from IPSY. And they sent me an ice roller. Surgical stainless steel ice roller. And I have one of these. I'm not going to open it. It's taped shut on both ends. I have gotten one of these before in one of my boxes. And I do use it. It's nice. I like it. It's currently in my refrigerator. I have no clue. I don't know if whoever was packaging, it wasn't Bruno. Whoever was putting my items in the bag just got confused or excited or wanted to send me an extra gift. But I will throw this in my giveaway box and include this in a future giveaway. So there's all the items that I had in my IPSY Flash Sale. And my face feels really hot because this mask is kind of thick. It really is a good mask though. You can see how it's kind of gotten really shiny and melty on my skin. And so you just massage it in so that it kind of exfoliates your skin. And then you just put some warm water on it and rinse away all of your cares and your worries and your stress, and it'll rinse away past due bills and problem people. Okay, probably not, but I like to think that it can do all of that. It does feel really, really good. And I don't believe, I'll put the price of this up on the screen too. I don't believe that this Yensa mask is very expensive. I got this in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and I liked it so much that when they had their pop-up sale, I bought a backup because it's really, really good. I know several other channels that do Mask Mondays talk about how much they like this mask because it really is that good. It feels so good. If you do not take time to pamper yourself like this, please do. It just makes you feel so good about yourself just to do a daily or weekly or monthly self-care ritual. Show yourself a little bit of self-care and self-love. So, make sure I get my lips. It has been well over 10 minutes, so I'm going to go rinse this off. And I will be back. I hope it's good for my hair because I have certainly got it in my hair too. And so I have washed all of the mask off. When you put a little bit of warm water it turns into like a milky consistency. It's very easy to get off. It feels so good. My face is nice and soft now. I can put on all of my lotions and potions and serums and all of that good stuff, which will absorb better into my skin because I have exfoliated my skin really well. If you are a contact wearer, well, I mean, even if you're not, you should not get it too close to your eyes. I did get a little bit of it in my eye because it's milky. When you get it wet, it made my contacts very cloudy, and I'm sure the grit is not good. Not good for them, so be careful with that. Also, the other lipstick, which did not dry down, washed off my hand really easy. This is Anastasia, and as you can see, it would not wash off, so it is there for the long haul. I mean, it's not going anywhere. So, and it doesn't feel really dry, so I don't know if that's going to be drying to my skin at all, but that's, or to my lips. That's really pretty. So I believe that this is Mask Monday number 10 for me. Thank you so much for joining me to watch me do the Yinsa mask. I'll put the link down in the description if you're interested in trying that out. It really is a good mask. And watching me unbag my brushes and my IPSY Flash Sale items. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do I need to give you an ice roller? Ooh, I'm sure you would like that. Just make you nice and cool when you have hot flashes. Do you have hot flashes, son? Well, this will make you nice and cool. It's really good for your skin. I love you, boo.